Okay, good afternoon. This is Luke Thomas Holmquist here, the Earthquake Forecast Center, quakeprediction.com. It's 12:38 in the afternoon here in California on Thursday, September 14th, 2023. 12:38 in the afternoon on Thursday, September 14th, 2023. Let's take a look at what's happening in California first. And we have two forecast models. This one here, which is a more simplistic model, is forecasting strong, about 4.2 earthquake in Southern California, either today or tomorrow, most likely late tonight and early tomorrow on the 15th. And this is a more detailed forecast map here. And it looks like most of the risk is down here near San Diego. So that's where it should hit. However, this forecast model here has it a little bit northwest of LA. So in either event, looking for a strong, about a 4.2 earthquake in Southern California, most likely near San Diego or northwest of LA here, during the next about 24 to 36 hours, the 14th into the 15th. And here's that risk graph. You can see it actually peaks in the morning of the 15th here in California. In Japan, up near Sapporo and Hokkaido and in the far north part of Japan, looks like about a 5.0 earthquake could hit up in that area during the next 24 to 36 hours. In Alaska, we could get a 3.0 to 4.0 earthquake here west of Anchorage, or out here in far northwestern Canada, there just east of the border of Alaska. And that could be a 3.0 to 4.0 in that area. In Turkey, about a 5.4 earthquake is likely and most likely to hit near the south central portion of Turkey or near southwest Turkey, kind of just north here of Syria. So that is the highest risk area in south central to southeast Turkey during the next 24 to 48 hours. Italy, we have a moderate risk down here of about a 3.0 to 3.5 is possible near Sicily in the far southern portion of Italy. And in Taiwan, about a 4.0 to 5.0 earthquake is possible in southern Taiwan. Once again, in California, looking for about a 4.2 earthquake, 4.2 to 4.3 in Southern California, most likely here near San Diego. The risk is for Southern California, but most likely to hit near San Diego during the next 24 to 36 hours, the 14th into the 15th. Thanks again for your support here at quakeprediction.com. 263,000 followers on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And we've been forecasting about 18 years. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.